Okay, so I have a lot of stuff going on within my life within the next couple of months, so I decided this would be the perfect time for me to vlog and document it because I hardly ever vlog, and I know a lot of people ask me to do it, but I just do not do enough in a day to sit there and vlog all the time. So this is a great opportunity. But right now, I am currently packing everything in my apartment. After 4 or 5 years of being in this apartment or at this complex, I'm finally moving, and I will be moving into my house. But as you guys can see, I'm packing up clothes. Still have my TV. I got rid of the couch that I had. There's no need for me to have that couch. I got rid of it. I'm also getting rid of this table. I'm probably just going to be giving it away. Again, obviously my room like a hot mess is, again, I'm packing up everything. So I'm getting rid of my mattress. I decided I'm going to be keeping my bed because that bed is less than a year old. I have to figure out these shoes now. Like, I have all of my shoes up there and stuff, so I gotta pack all that stuff and get all that stuff out of there. But yeah, man, like as you guys can see, it may not seem like I haven't done a lot, but I promise I've done a lot. Like, I'm probably gonna be getting rid of that, all my diplomas and degrees and all that stuff. I'm getting rid of all of my comforters. There's no point in me having these because I'm throwing all that away. As you guys can see, I have some more comforters over here. Yeah, even my office. Like, I haven't packed anything up in my office yet, just because this is the last thing that I'm going to be doing. I work on a daily basis, so again, there's no point in me packing all that stuff just yet. But all in all, yeah. So I'm going to be out this apartment by tomorrow. It may not seem like it's doable. Let me change down my ISO. It's kind of high. Yeah, it may not seem like it's doable, but I promise you it is. Like, I have some, I'm probably gonna throw this table away, like I said previously before. So my lease is actually ending Friday. My grandma's birthday, 80th birthday party is this weekend. So I'm actually flying out to Mississippi, me and my son. And yeah, so when I leave here, no house, no apartment. I'm just gonna be living a nomad life at the point. My house was supposed to be done in August, but it's not going to be done in August. It's looking more like September, so I got to figure out that logistically. Originally, I had a couple of trips planned, and by the time that I had got back from those trips, I would have been moving to my house, but now that's not going to be happening, so I got to figure it out. I'm probably going to be going back and forth to either Chicago and Mississippi, but yeah, man, that is what I'm dealing with right now. But with that being said, let me start packing some of this stuff, and I'll update you guys later. Okay, it's like, I think 4 hours later maybe. In order to do rag, I just threw this on because I finally have found this one. But I have actually completed a lot of stuff. Now, when I show you guys, it may not. Okay, so when I show you guys, it might not look like I did a lot, but I promise you I did a lot. Packed a lot of stuff. I know I have to go get some more boxes for my shoes. Got to get probably like 5 extra large boxes so I can put my shoes in there. But overall, I have everything pretty much completed. One of my friends will be picking up this bar cart. I'm not taking it with me. As you guys can see, I'm gonna have stuff packed in the suitcases because I will be leaving, and I already got stuff packed, so I don't have to worry about that. Put my Apple Display Studio or Studio Display back into the box. Packed up that, my lights. This table is going to be thrown away. It's just sitting right here in the middle of the floor. I have some clothes packed in there as well too. I have a load of clothes that's also in the dryer. And I also threw out about 8 bags of clothes. So I have another bag right here. Got some clothes right here that I'm probably going to get thrown out as well too. And that's trash. And those 2 more bags right there are clothes as well too. So I'm going to be giving those clothes away as well. But back into my pause that. So back into my office. Let's turn this brightness up a little bit. So it may not, I swear in my office, I got a lot done in my office. So I got like a lot of like my laptops and keyboards, just overall electronics in there. I got all my wire cords and everything else in a different bag. I've cleaned out this entire closet, so I just have to get some of these boxes out. Most of the stuff's gonna get thrown out. This stuff down here, if you guys can see, just like stands and stuff like that. So I will be getting that up as well too. My son's crib, that's gonna get packed up. So I took down all of my pegboards, laptops right here, set up. So have to pack all this up tomorrow. So the people with the moving company, they're actually gonna box up my TVs and stuff so they don't break. Actually pretty good. Like, that was actually a surprise to me. Hopefully they don't break anything, because I'm probably gonna end up using them again to move my stuff out of storage into my house. Because like he literally called me like, hey, like you need like mattress pads for the mattress covers. Do you like have the boxes for your TVs? We can get some boxes and put your TVs in there. And I'm just like, oh yeah, like y'all professional. So that's good. I'm not really worried about breaking anything, because I kid you not, every time I move, I break a TV. Well, no, they break a TV or a monitor. It never fails. Last time they broke my 49-inch Samsung monitor, I had to replace it. The time before that, one of my 75-inch TVs got broken. They had to replace that. So I just don't want to go through this. What else? Oh, in my room, I haven't done much in my room. I got like, so this is how I'm probably going to be boxing my shoes up, if you guys can see right here. So this is a medium box, and I can fit 4 pairs of shoes in there. So my thing is, if I get an extra large box, I'm assuming I can probably fit about like 8 to 10 pairs of shoes in there, because I have like these plastic shoe containers in there, if you guys can see that. But yeah, man, overall everything in my closet's packed up. I got all of these shoes that's not in clear boxes that have to be packed up. And then I have all these shoes as well too that need to be packed up. All the clothes are gone. But yeah, at this point, I'm probably about to take a break, probably go pick up those boxes. And overall, yeah, tomorrow, it'll be all good to go. Like, I'll be all good. So yeah, tune in tomorrow and we shall see how the move go. Alright, so y'all, it's finally starting to sound a little empty in here. Let me show y'all, I finally got some stuff moved out of here. And I ain't gonna lie, these movers good as hell. Like, I ain't gonna lie, they came here with the swiftness and got everything done. I actually need to clean this up, but yeah, let me show y'all. This may be too bright, but yeah, mattress. I'm actually gonna get rid of this mattress. It's just gonna get thrown away. All my boxes and stuff. This is getting thrown away. My neighbor's supposed to be picking that up. TV's all gone. And as y'all can see, I got my little suitcase over here. Shout out to Red Hat. They actually the ones who sent me this, along with this bag as well too. Let me show you so y'all can see. Yeah, shout out to them. That's the bag that I'm going to be using to go back home. So now I got to break down this desk. Y'all probably can see, yeah. So I got to break down my desk, take that down, and after that we're gonna be all done. We're gonna take everything to storage. I'm gonna go check into my hotel, and yeah. So yeah, once we get all of that stuff situated, I'm gonna pick my son up, check into my hotel, and then we have an 8 a.m. flight to go back to Mississippi. So this will be his first time out there. So hopefully he don't really trip on the plane, but we'll see how they go. And I'm out. Alright y'all, so I'm back in Mississippi now, and we're here setting up for my grandma's 80th birthday. She actually don't know I'm gonna be here, so it's gonna be a surprise. She haven't seen my son yet, so she's gonna be super excited. But yeah, you know, everybody. It's my cousin now, first time seeing them, so they're having a blast with them. He is at the bottom, like you see, but not yet. But yeah. So for my this is my great aunt, but I call her my grandma. They doing like a WWE themed birthday party. She like wrestling, so let me show you guys a little bit of B-roll. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to go ahead to my hair salon so I can get something done to my hair, take my braids down. And yeah. You gonna actually put them in there this time?
Huh?
You gonna actually put them in the car this time?
Huh? It's gonna take me too long.
But yeah. What's the name of your hair salon, Mom?
Blessings of Beauty.
Where's that?
Where the beauty in the mirror is places. And Hattiesburg, Mississippi.
Alright, let me put this. Nah, I was gonna put them on you. I'm tall.
I'm gonna have to bag out.
No, you don't. Oh, you might have to. What's up, man?
I thought I caught the car.
I thought I cranked the car. You know, so here we go.
I said, hey, I know we took up to the third grade to get that,
Come hit him up.
Appreciate it so much. God gave us 3 scolds and 10. I done got a little bit over. And I thank and praise Him. And so we all gonna try to have a blessed day. And God bless you all. And I love you. Again, thank you for coming.